my mandate I shall stand. On my mandate I shall stand. On my mandate, on my mandate, on my mandate I shall stand. People, welcome once more to Njenje Media TV. My name is still Mazes, okay? I'm standing on my mandate. People, yesterday, Sunday, I made a video where I showed us how trucks carrying food in Kaduna and how a Ministry of Agriculture warehouse in Abuja was invaded yesterday. Bao truck in Kaduna was looted. Some say that the guy parked the truck to go into a mosque to pray, and before he came out, the truck was already looted. Now, this morning, today, Monday, this morning, in Abuja, in GwaGwa, DeiDei, in Abuja, another truck carrying millets was stopped and the content looted. Where are we headed to, people? You know, I understand that many of us will think that, yes, people let them take it, even if it's government. No, but people, I understand we are, people are hungry. But to be honest with you, this is getting worrying. We're heading into anarchy. If this continues unchecked, we will see individuals. There is nothing that will say that ShopRite or, I don't know, one of these big supermarkets cannot be broken into and food taken. This is a call for government to please do something very quick before this gets out of hand. Yes, the people, if you watch the video now, which I'm going to let you watch, you will see that the people are saying, wow, they are hungry. What do you expect them to do? I do not know. This is gone. This greeting in Igbo, we say, Ekena Kaligo Nkwaka, meaning the greetings has gone beyond the hands and is getting here. And when it gets here, it gets dangerous. My late dad always say, he who wants to separate fight must start with finger pointing. Because this is, increasing. Saturday it happened, Sunday it happened, Monday it happened. If this continues Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we will be in big trouble. Because as it is, not the security agents can actually stop these individuals. A hungry man is an angry man. I said it yesterday, and many of you reposting that quote. I've read them. When the poor are hungry, the rich will begin to look appetizing to them. When the poor are hungry, they may begin to feast on the rich. The rich, the government, you must begin to do what is needed ASAP. This is not a time to travel to Dubai, to UAE, to Qatar, to anywhere and begin to do jamboree and spend money that we don't have. This is a time to sit down and work your ass off and make sure that Nigerians have something to eat.
GwaGwa, the masses stopped some trailer loads of palliative and they are carrying everybody, all citizens, they are carrying rice, carrying everything, they are carrying everything. There's a rampage here, the community. It's a rampage. You can see where we are parked. Bros, come here. Government. Now so. Yes. Yeah, so what is happening this morning?
Okay, we are dying of hunger.
Yes.
So we got to sneak in and find what to eat.
That's right.
Voting Tinubu, we don't know that you are regretting. That's why.
Is this a government palliative?
This is government palliative.
All right.
This is government palliative. Everything is being. This is come. This 100 days I don't know. I don't know finish. see am.
They just keep and seize.
Keep and seize rotting, and we were dying.
Hungry, they kill people.
Yes.
That's right. Both women, men, children, everybody. Food crisis is happening.
You have seen this video. It's not about food alone. In Katsina, the state and the homeland of General Muhammadu Buhari, the one who wasted Nigerians' time for 8 good years. I can't say that enough. I don't have anything against him, but Buhari wasted Nigerians' time, and I blame those who returned him in 2019. Haven't said that he was a waste of space, and he's a man of gross incompetence, because within the same party, we now see what they are unearthing. Yet, Emefiele is behind bars. The man who he printed trillion for, and he shared ways and means, blah, 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 that sank the nation's economy, is sitting somewhere, picking his teeth, as usual. That's his pastime. In his own state of Katsina, children, nursery school, primary school children, are now protesting. Children, not adults. Children are protesting that bandits killed their parents. Let that sink in. Children in their hundreds on the street in Katsina, where protest is haram, and children are doing this. I don't want to imagine what will happen on Friday if these protests continue on Friday and the government does not find a way to feed the people. Yusuf said the other time that the president must go and buy food, that the people are going to the mosque, they are fasting, they are praying. When they come out of the mosque hungry, he cannot guarantee what will happen to the country.
The silence from the north, from the people of the north, in spite of all the sufferings they're going through, it's more lethal than people coming out. We are going into the month of Ramadan. People are going to pray. We urge the president, buy food and flood the market and feed the people before things get too late. The whole country is suffering. There is hunger in the land.
And they say now I'm beginning to see reasons with him. Is it that the government is so incompetent that they cannot do anything and they do not understand what they can do? Or is it that the government is just trying to test the will of the people? If children are beginning to protest, how would it be when young adults joins and the adult joins the fray? As my good friend Rudolph Okonkwo would always say, "Ka fune fune de tua, fune fune." If things are like this, when it is only children, and when it is now people stopping trucks to loot the content, it worries me. You know why it worries me? Recall in the 90s, many of you who were probably born on adults and understand what I say here, in the 90s and early 2000s, when we want to travel from Onitsha to Lagos, from Lagos to Maiduguri, to Yola, to Kaduna, there was what they call escort, mobile police escort, armed 2 or 3, one in front, one in the middle, and one at the back, against people trying to stop those vehicles and, to waylay passengers and take whatever they have. That was the order of the day. I am beginning to see where trucks conveying food items will become endangered species, that the trucks may now begin to carry arms. Trucks may now be like, vessels on the high sea, Somalian, waters. They might begin to carry armed personnel in order to protect the content that they carry. Mr. President, the one who snatched it, the one who grabbed it, and the one who ran with it. The time to act is now. I don't want to say what I'm hearing with my left ear, because if I say that, DSS will begin to knock on my door. But again, I had nothing. All I'm saying is fix the poor before it is late. When the poor can no longer take it, you know that even goats can bite when they are pushed to the wall. I am still Mazes. Okay. If you haven't subscribed to this platform, please by all means do. We will be bringing you news, update, and analysis. On this platform, we dig deep and we look at the news behind the headlines. Peace out.